What would happen if you mix dry yeast and hydrogen peroxide?
If dry yeast and hydrogen peroxide are chemically combined, then a foamy substance with air bubbles would form.
Scientific method is the way to answer scientific questions by making observations and doing experiments. The project we are attempting to do is called elephant toothpaste. The following pictures are the outcome of what our project should look like.
First, be sure to wear safety goggles and gloves because hydrogen peroxide is dangerous to work with.
In order for our chemical reaction to work, we needed to use many materials. The materials we used to complete this experiment were 1 pack of dried yeast, 30% hydrogen peroxide, food coloring of different colors, warm water, as well as dish soap. The experiments were put in a vase and a water bottle. To keep things safe, we also use safety goggles and gloves.
Next, take a bottle any size and add in half a cup of 30% hydrogen peroxide.
Then add in about 8 drops of any colored food coloring.
After, pour in approximately 1 tablespoon of any dish soap into the mixture of hydrogen and food coloring.
In a separate cup, combine 3 tablespoons of warm water with dry yeast.
Finally, add the yeast and water mixture into the bottle, stand back, and watch the reaction begin and the foam start to form.
In this experiment, we use a 30% hydrogen peroxide solution. The production of oxygen gas is more noticeable when you add dish soap, and that's what makes the foam. The reaction is catalyzed by the active yeast added to the container.
The yeast changes the mechanism or pathway in which the reaction occurs. The rapid production of bubbles of oxygen gas along with the dish soap quickly creates a large quantity of foam.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.